What we're looking at here is a scrapbook, and it consists mostly out of documents from the 19th century, specifically invitations to Mardi Gras parties.
You can look at any single item in this scrapbook, and it's a thread that you can pull, and it can lead you into so many different places, whether it's history of Mardi Gras or history of New Orleans or attitudes which are sometimes reflected in the illustrations of the invitations.
They really speak to the fantasy of the viewer. Every year had a different theme, sometimes exotic places, Moorish Spain, or literary themes, the Aeneid, Homer, for instance.
This is definitely part of our cultural heritage, and it's important for us to help preserve this for future generations, to have it as references. We want these things to be available to all Louisiana people, and not just the citizens of our state, but our school, of course, and the nation. Anyone can come to our library and look at these materials.